of the entrepreneurs who has really capitalized on the content creation industry. So tell us from your own experience about the journey of running a content creation business and the various offerings that your company, First in Line Plus, has.
You know, my passion for entertainment has always been there. And, you know, being in the filming space, it drove me to a next level in terms of loving entertainment, right? And the richness of our culture and what we can pull from it. So coming out of that experience and the overwhelming subscription that we got, you know, I spoke with the team and I said, listen, let us really dive deeper into it. And we, you know, birthed First in Line Plus, you know, coming out of First in Line Entertainment. And we started the journey of building a streaming platform in its holistic sense, only for streaming. From there, you know, we started talking to a lot of the creators from 876 Roommates, and they wanted to find a way to monetize directly coming out of YouTube. You know, you get a check, as you had described to your listeners just now. You get a check from ads, you get a check, you know, every now and then for content creation, but direct monetizing of your content and owning your content is the next level. I started working with one, especially King Tavi, and out of that, you know, I recognize the talent of this young man, not just a creator, but an editor and a director. So he came on board in terms of being a director in the company, as in directing a lot of the things that we want, you know, to have done. Right now, we're doing some programs now. One of the greatest things, and I wanted to leave this for last before, you know, you jump into any questions, was that I had a conversation with Oliver Samuels. So Not only did we build a streaming platform, part of it is managing talent and helping them to monetize.